Imagine a world where the boundaries of time and space dissolve. A world where you could step from your bedroom to a bustling Tokyo street in an instant. But what would that world really look like? Would teleportation be a miracle or a nightmare? Let's dive into the unsettling possibilities of a reality where humans could teleport. Teleportation might seem like the stuff of science fiction, but it's rooted in real scientific theories. Quantum entanglement, wormholes, and particle physics offer glimpses into the mechanics of instant travel. Take quantum teleportation, for example. Scientists have successfully teleported particles of light over distances using entangled states. But there's a catch. These particles don't move. They're recreated at the destination. It's not transport, it's replication. So what happens to the original? Is it destroyed? The eerie part. If teleportation worked the same way for humans, you might not be you on the other side. You'd be a perfect copy. But would your consciousness make the trip? Let's assume we figure it out. Teleportation is safe and accessible. Think of the convenience. No more traffic, no more airports, no more hours wasted commuting. Need to grab coffee in Paris before work in New York? Done. But with every leap forward, there's a price. Let's talk about irony. Imagine how close the world could feel, yet how distant we might become from one another. If you could blink across the globe, what's stopping you from disappearing entirely? No goodbyes, no trace. Would teleportation kill our connections as easily as it kills time? And then there's the cost of infrastructure. Who would control teleportation? Would it be affordable for everyone, or just another luxury for the wealthy? What happens when governments or corporations decide who gets to go where and when? The dark side of teleportation. Teleportation isn't just about convenience, it could be a tool of incredible power and incredible danger. Imagine teleportation used for crime. A thief could vanish from a vault without a trace. Assassins could strike and disappear before anyone knew they were there. Governments might weaponize teleportation, creating soldiers who can infiltrate any location undetected. The balance of power could shift overnight, plunging the world into chaos. And what about the accidents? What happens when teleportation glitches? Imagine reappearing in two places at once, or worse, not at all. The philosophical dilemma. Teleportation raises a question that's as eerie as it is profound. What makes you, you? If every molecule in your body is disassembled and reassembled, are you still the same person? Some argue that teleportation would kill the original version of you, creating a clone who thinks they're you. It's like a ship that's rebuilt plank by plank. At what point is it no longer the same ship? And if teleportation destroys the original, is it murder or rebirth? The bigger picture. Teleportation is just one piece of a larger puzzle. Humanity's relentless pursuit of progress. We've split the atom, connected the globe, and now we're reaching for the stars. But every breakthrough forces us to confront questions about ethics, power, and identity. Teleportation could solve problems we never thought possible, ending poverty, connecting cultures, even saving lives. But it could also create problems we can't yet imagine. Would the benefits outweigh the risks, or would we be opening a door better left closed? Closing scene. Teleportation feels like magic, but magic always comes with a price. If we could master it, would we be ready for the consequences, or are some limits meant to stay unbroken? The real question isn't whether we can teleport, it's whether we should. And that's something only time will tell. What do you think? Would you step into a teleportation chamber if you had the chance? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to What If Reality for more explorations into the mysteries of the possible.